Hello everyone, I'm Mubeen Tariq and welcome back to another brand new Adobe Illustrator tutorial. So today we are going to learn about the scissor tool, eraser tool and the knife tool. So today we will discuss about these three tools. So let's start our video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. And please support this channel financially on Patreon. My Patreon link is in the description of this video. So first of all, open Illustrator and create an artboard here. So now there are these tools about which we are going to learn. So these three tools are eraser tool, scissor tool and knife. So when I click here, it will open these tools as an window, something like this, and I put it right here so I can use them. Today we will learn about these three tools one by one. So first, obviously I need to draw some shapes here. So I draw a rectangle, a square here. So yes, I put it right here. And the first tool is eraser tool. The shortcut of eraser tool is Shift plus E. So let's say I press Shift plus E on my keyboard, so it will select the eraser tool. And on your keyboard, with the P button, with the P letter, there are square brackets. When you press the start square bracket, it will decrease the size of eraser. When you press the end square bracket, it will increase the size of eraser. So as the name shows, it is used to erase shapes. I rub it light here. Now you can see this, what it do. It has removed the area from the square wherever I rub that eraser tool. So let's say, put it right here, I select our eraser tool and I rub it something like this. Now this is another shape, this one is another, and this one is another. It has converted the one shape into different shapes. And when you click right here, so it will only delete that specific areas where you have clicked with the eraser tool, something like this. With this tool you can create many type of unique designs, something like this. I change its color to something yellow. So yes, now this shape is something like this. And yes, many of the people from you ask that how can we remove or erase an area from our image. So I want to tell you guys that Illustrator is a vector based software. It does not work on the images. For that you can use Photoshop. It will not work on the images. So let's say I open an image here, and now if I select the eraser tool, now you can see this will not work on this. So I hope you guys will understand that Illustrator is a vector based software. It does not work on the images because images are in the pixel forms. By the way, I have told you about the vector and raster in our first video of Adobe Illustrator. If you does not have watched that video, then click on the I button to watch that video. So now you have learned about the eraser tool. The next tool is scissors tool. I want to close this. So let's say I create an other square here. I change its color to green, and now I select our scissors tools. So what it is used is when I click here and then I simply click here, Now it have removed that specific area, but as you can see this, it has only removed the stroke of the shape from that area. So it means it will only remove the stroke. For that, I just undo this and I delete the fill of this shape. I increase the size of the stroke to something 10 point. Yes. Now I select our scissors tool and I simply click here, then here, and then here and here also. Now what it will do is, when you pick it, this one is like this and this one is like this. So now you can understand this, that what the scissors tool do. It will only work on the stroke. So let's say I undo this again and I select the scissors tool and I click here. So it will show a message that please use the scissors tools on a segment or an anchor point but not an end point of the path. That it will only work on the path. So okay. So now you have learned about the scissors tool also, and you can make different designs by this. So let's say I draw a circle here, I delete its stroke fill and I increase the stroke size. I select the scissors tool, I click here and here. Now it will remove this area. I want to resize this, and then I press Ctrl C to copy this, then I press Ctrl F to paste on the forward. Now I resize it again and I rotate it, something like this. I again press Ctrl C and Ctrl F. So make a copy of this. So here you can see this, that you can use this to create different type of designs in Illustrator. I put it right here. I change its stroke color to white. So yes. The next thing and the last thing is knife. For that I again draw a rectangle here and I press D, which means default. It will fill the default colors in that shape. I select the knife and I rub it like this. Now it has cut that areas from the shape. So let's say I put this square light over here, I change its color to something red and I make a copy of this one and now on these, on first one I use our eraser tool something like this, and on our this shape I use the knife like this. So here you can see this, that what is the difference between this. Wherever I use the eraser tool, it has deleted that area from the shape, but in the knife it has only converted the one shape into two parts from where I cut this. It has only cut these shapes, but this has erased that area. So yes, this is how you can use this. So let's say I draw a circle here. I change its color to something blue. And now I use the knife. I make a cut here, 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 and here, and here, and here. Now I select this circle by using the direct selection tool, and you can see this, that these points are now showing here. And you can move its corner about to you. By the way, I can make better designs by this, but so let's see, make a cut here, here, and here. Select this one and make its corner, select this one only and make a round here. Select this one also, make the round. Something like this. So I hope you guys can understand this. That way you can use these shapes or tools. So this is how you can use these three shapes, these three tools. So yes, this is how you can use these shapes. So I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. If yes, then tell me in the comment section of this video. And my Facebook link is in the description of this video. Whatever you design or create by using these tools, don't forget to share me your work on my Facebook. I will definitely show your work in my next videos. So goodbye. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. And please support this channel financially on Patreon. My Patreon link is in the description of this video. Goodbye.